Hello friends, you all are welcome to the Vedanta IAS Academy. Myself Shashendra Tiwari. We are going to study in this video lecture karst topography. First of all, I would like to tell you what is topography. Topography is associated to those landforms which are creating under effect of external forces by the agents like river, glaciers, wind, sea waves, etc. In this part, we are going to study the karst topography. Karst topography. Karst topography is a kind of topography creating in the areas where there is a richness of calcium in rock, an area experiencing richness of calcium rock, an area experiencing richness of calcium, not rock, calcium and running water conditions, right? Running water conditions. Actually, in this case, there is taking place formation of, in case of karst topography, there take place formation of structures like stalactite, stalagmite, sinkhole, shallow hole, duline, Uvala, Polje, calcite cave, calcite pillar, etc. So, structures are forming through either erosion, chemical weathering, as well as deposition of calcium molecule. Generally, the rock system consisting of more than 70% calcium, a land having richness of the calcium under effect of action of water and wind, air, there takes place formation of such structures, right? These kind of structures we can see in the southern Europe, especially in the country like Italy, and Greece, such structures are more prominent in those areas. Here we can also actually realize the structures in the Mediterranean Sea region, again in southern Europe. In case of karst topography, I have said earlier, there must be presence of calcium more than 70% in the rock system. In that case, there takes place slow rate of chemical weathering and there occurs formation of variety of the structures, variety of the landforms, and see what kind of landforms are those what we are studying here. Initially they are developed sinkhole, right? the small minor hole, this one, sink hole. If the size of hole increases, if the size of hole increases, then it is called as initially sink hole, then Dulin, again Uvala, and finally Polje. These are the actually structures forming on the surface, and the structures like stalagmite and stalactite. Stalagmite and stalactite are internal structures forming inside of the rock, okay, forming inside of the rock. If there is suspended structures, what you can see here, suspended structures formed by deposition of the calcium, then it is called as stalactite, right? And if there is standing structures forming through deposition of calcium, then it is called as stalagmite. Called as what? Stalagmite. And suspended structures are called as stalactite. If stalagmite and stalactite going to join, if stalagmite, stalactite and stalagmite, both the structures are going to join, like here these two present here. When these two joins, there takes place formation of calcite pillar. This is what? Calcite pillar. And if structure becomes wide, much wider, then it is called as calcite cave. Known as calcite cave. Okay, so these are the structures forming during the action of water and wind or air with the calcium rich rock. In short, we can say, if any area experiencing richness of the calcium in rock under action of water and air, there will take place chemical weathering processes, mainly chemical weathering processes. Ultimately, there will take place formation of the structures like sinkhole, Dulin, Uvala, Polje, stalactite, stalagmite, calcite pillar, right? And calcite pillar and calcite cave. So remember all these structures. How these structures will form, I will discuss during the offline classes. So all the best to all of you. Have a nice time. Goodbye.